If your army's biggest enemy is a 6-foot bird, you might be in Australia. If your plan is machine guns versus feathers, you're in for a wild ride. Let's talk about the Great Emu War. It's 1932. Australia's farmers are desperate. 20,000 emus are wrecking crops and livelihoods. So the government calls in the military, machine guns blazing. But emus aren't just big chickens, they're tactical geniuses. They split into small squads and outrun the soldiers. After thousands of rounds fired, barely any emus were hit. The army, forced to retreat, the birds won. Got a weirder historical fail? Drop it in the comments.